So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to implement DevOps workflows in Google Cloud. And it is a challenging lab. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on Cloud Minus GCP was formerly and now it is an devlabs.ai. So let's start the lab. So let me log into our credentials, copy your password and open it in igniter mode. Click on next and paste your password here. Click on next, click on I understand. So click on agree and continue. Click on agree and continue. So then now open your Cloud Shell terminal, enlarge it and continue. So there will be link provided in description. So get access of that link and copy this code and come back to your notepad and paste it here. So come back to a lab and then move to task number one. So below task number one, there is a zone here given US Central 1 F. So copy your zone ID and then paste it in export zone option. So come back and now there is a given name as a cluster, allow cluster, copy that and now paste it here cluster name option and then come back to your lab and then copy my repository option here. You can see in dark blue bolded letters. So now come back here and paste it here and copy all and then come back to your lab and paste it here, click on enter. So come back to the code provided description. So copy that and paste it here, click on enter. Click on authorize. So wait for 10 to 15 minutes, takes a time for getting executed for everything. So wait till 10 to 15 minutes until it executes and shows like yellow color option to be empty. Okay, let me wait for that. So guys, finally it took more than 15 minutes of time for executing of this command. So but also let me check our progress. Let me move to task number one. So let me check our progress step by step. So task number one is complete. Let me move to task number two. Let me move to task number three. Our progress. Also, let me move to task number five. Finally, guys, lab has